So, should you wear a mask? Well, for weeks, health experts have been saying no, only wear a mask if you are sick. But now that advice is beginning to change. Here's investigative reporter Angie Racono.
We've been following this issue back and forth, and last week we told you about a young woman who was fired from a coffee shop because she wore a mask to work. She thought this offered some level of protection, but her boss did not. Well, now the advice is changing, and they are saying that gloves and masks offer some level of protection.
I thought, well, we got to get some food stock up for another few more weeks if we can, and so I was like, well, let's be protected instead of not.
Melissa and Jeremiah Kogan are gloved and masked. Today's operation: shop at a big box store and stay safe. This isn't the normal routine.
It's different. It's not the same. So a little embarrassing, but it's better to be healthy than not.
For weeks we were told this is wrong. Social media has gotten in the game too. Here's a doctor explaining masks in breakup terms. The higher quality mask, it's not me, it's you. And then the cheap face mask is, it's not you, it's me, meaning the rest of us should only wear a mask if we are sick. Turns out it's a bit more complicated than that. Do you think this offers a level of protection?
To a certain extent, yes. 100% no.
He's right. The New York Times recently reported on what was learned with SARS. Here's what they found. Washing your hands decreased your chances by 55%. Wearing masks dropped it by 68%. Gloves offered the same protection as washing your hands, 55%. Here's what's important. If you combine all three, it dropped it by 91%.
We have 4 kids at home, just don't want to bring anything back to them.
But doctors at the University of Kansas Hospital question how well masks work when worn by the general population.
They do offer a little bit of protection. However, when I'm seeing people, they are moving their mask up and down, they're fidgeting with it on their face. At that point, you're contaminating everything.
And they are also concerned about supply. Doctors say you need to think about how you will take off your gloves and masks and do it in a safe manner. There's a lot of good advice out there, but the bottom line is you need to carefully remove your gloves first, and then you remove the mask from your face, and then you need to wash your hands. Reporting in Kansas City, Angie Racono, KCTV5 News.